Small one? Give me. No, school supplies, ha? It's down eh. 1 baby. Before how much? 3 baby? You buy one?
No, Orchid also I need.
Yeah. Anything else? Clorox.
Clorox. Go after the customer.
I have official offer. Special offer. It's too much expensive. Guys, ang mahal guys ng oil guys. Chicken. Chocolate. Snicker. Bili kami ng downy guys. Dahil wala na kaming downy sa loob ng bahay namin. I buy, ha?
Small.
Yeah.
No need big. Ano ito? Kagay na, ano?
Bili na naman ako ng napkin ko. How much? I have too much there. Don't buy now. Ang mahal guys ng ano, ang mahal ng kaserola guys. 50 BD. 50 BD, 24 BD, like this. Chinelas, 1 BD. Yan, 1 BD, 4 BD. Damit is 1 BD. Yung pantalon is 3 BD. Pampers, pajama, 1 BD. Yan, 1 BD. Sabon is 1 BD. Bahar, 1 BD. Here is 3 BD is 2, sa? Expensive, sa? Ay, okay. Special offer, sa? It's okay. It's 2 gallons, sa? Yeah, it's okay. Anything else? Finish? Guys, Mag-grocery kami guys kasi wala kaming amo. Kami na ngayon yung amo. Kami na rin mag-grocery ng kailangan namin. Bahala sila sa buhay nila at gala sila. You see for the Downy how much? I have a special offer. Here is a special offer, sa?
Is promotion there last
Ah.
expensive 3 dinar.
Yeah, 3 dinar 125 pills. Grabing mahal guys. Sobra. Nakakalula yung price. Grabe. Wala tayo, hindi natin afford yung bumili ng ganon ngayon. Yan, kahit yung amo ko, hindi yan siya namimili. Naghahanap yan ng special offer. I buy Indomie. Kain tayo ng pancit canton guys. Pa-charge natin sa amo natin guys. Bihira lang naman tayo magpapa-charge ng pagkain natin. May allowance naman ako sa food. Hindi ko pa nagalaw. Mag-isang buwan na silang wala dito guys. Ngayon lang ako gagalaw ng aking allowance food.
4 dinar.
Okay. Bili kami ng rice guys. 10 kg.
450.
Bahala na magalit yung amo naming babae. This Jasmine.
This one.
Ah. Jasmine, sa?
This one.
Yeah.
This one expensive.
No. Here, how much?
6 dinar.
6? Okay, you buy, sa? 10 kg, sa? Oh, yeah, you buy. Mili kami ng bigas, guys, kasi baka maubusan daw kami ng bigas, sabi ni Harji. Siya yung nakakaalam sa loob ng bahay, guys. Ako hindi ko alam na mayroon kaming bigas o wala. Dahil bihira lang naman akong kumain ng kanin. Yan, guys, yung aking driver na mabait. Sa shopping daw niya ako. He's the rich one. Sa shopping daw niya ako ng pagkain ko kasi nga hindi ako nakain daw. Akalain mo pa namang how much for banana?
770.
1 kg only. You eat, sa? You eat, sa? Okay. Banana for the Philippine. Wala. From Philippine. Okay, you buy. You want? No. Yan guys, ang daming mapipilian kaso lang maghahanap kami na here. I want one.
Okay.
Here.
Big one.
Big one.
Kerala चाहिए कभी.
Okra.
Kerala.
Bili tayo ng okra guys.
एक पाले पर नहीं जाते हैं पाले.
Magdinengdeng tayo, guys. Na.
Anong manok ang bibili mo?
नहीं मैं तो कल बनाई है ना फ्राई करके खा रही
Magdinengdeng tayo, guys. Magdinengdeng tayo, guys.
फलियां मटर फ्राई फ्राई करके रख दो टमाटर आलू फ्राई
Sweet.
स्वीट पोटैटो
Yeah, how much there?
ਯਾਰ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਕਿ ਹਰੀ ਗੋਭੀ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੱਲ ਛੋਟਾ ਫੁੱਲ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਵੱਡਾ ਫੁੱਲ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਯਾਰ ਇੰਨਾ ਵੀ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਉਹ ਪਾਣੀ
Eggplant. Magdinengdeng ako, guys. At matagal na akong hindi nakatikim ng dinengdeng. How many years? How much?
This one 900 pesos, this one 1.6 sir, this one 400.
This 400. Don't buy for expensive.
This one coming too much, this one only 2 piece coming. One coming too much piece. Kosa.
Dito daw ako, guys, para daw ano,
ਆਹੋ ਟੂਟੀਆਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਆ ਲੈਣੇ ਪੈਂਗਾ ਨਾ ਟੂਟੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਭਾਰ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਦੋ ਚੱਕਣੇ ਭਰ ਗਿਆ ਹਾਂ
ganda na. Marami kayong mapipilian, guys. I have onion. Eggs. I buy eggs. The eggs is finished. Mamimili kami, guys, kasi wala na akong pagkain sa aking bahay kubo. Chicken for Lucy. Chicken for Lucy. For dog.
dog food is
What you want? You want to buy like this? Huh?
mutton cooking.
I cook for you.
You cook?
I cook for you.
Okay.
Okay, you buy. You get two.
Working.
Yes. You have tomato? There's
Potato?
no tomato you have for your house? For you? I have?
2-3 piece I have.
Okay, I get.
How much you have tomato?
You give one only, okay? Oops. Magluluto ako, guys, ng ano niya, yung
Ayaw niya dito, kuya. Mamuha dito. Ayan mo na.
okay, this. Nabuang na yung itlog. Okay, one egg is Ice pizza. Daming pagkain guys. Hot dog. You want hot dog? You make rice? I have hot dog. Huh? Ah, chicken for Lucy. Okay. Yeah. You buy tosa? Is tosa?
हाँ चलो ठीक है भाई ओके
Bili kami ng manok sa aming aso, guys.
या इसको
Yes, to.
भी चेक अप करता तो बताया
Okay.
keep it only there you go this way I go this way.
Okay. Punta daw ako dito sa kabila. Puro hotdog naman to. Puro frozen food. Ano yan? Naghahanap kami ng chicken, guys. It's only chicken nuggets. For chicken nuggets, it's not fresh. It's not chicken. His special offer, 2 BD. Her chicken is not chicken, sa?
चिकन ला तंदूरी चौदह पर 3 दिनार expensive
Expensive is too much. Here is how much?
2 dinar something
Eh, you buy there.
I will check
It's chicken. Chicken nuggets, huh? It's... I have tender juicy is hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Galing kasi kami guys sa doktor. Nag-ano na lang ako. Dumaan na lang ako dito at namili ako ng food ko at food ng aking alaga at wala naman na yung pagkain yung alaga ko. How much? Okay, you buy. At wala namang pagkain yung aking alaga. Ayan. Guys. Ayan siya guys. Yung lalaki na yan tumatawa. Only one? How much?
2.640
Okay.
also 2.5 kg
Okay. Enough, sa? Bibili daw ata siya ng pagkain namin. I have there pizza,
no chapati
chapati, you want? I need bread. Bili ako ng tinapay guys kasi wala akong pang-almusal. Hindi kasi ako nagkakakain ng kanin kasi. Yan, hindi ako hindi ako nagkakakain ng kanin.
hot dog
Yeah, hot dog is too much expensive.
How much?
Huh?
How much? How much?
I don't know. There I have there. Don't buy here. It's too much expensive. Yeah. Hot dog. Yes. There.
1 piece?
2 piece.
Same or different?
Same. Enough. Kalas ha? It's too much. Mungkin sir think why you buy too much?
No, it's all for dipping now.
Yeah.
You are nothing. You are nothing. Only this one for you. Other one all for house. Downy, Clorox, this for dog. Okay, this one all for you.
Irereklamo talaga siya guys kasi wala daw yung aking
No, again.
wala daw akong pagkain dito sa binili namin at nagrereklamo talaga siya. Puro sa bahay. So okay lang naman. Meron naman para sa bahay. Magluluto naman ako. Where you go? It's all closed. Here is open only. I cook now? Magluluto ako ng fit chicken. Guys, paglulutuan natin siya ng fit chicken. The fit I cook now? Sa? For the night, sa? Babayad na siya guys. Chaperon lang ako dito guys. Wala akong pera. Siya yung may pera sa amin dalawa. Sir is pay for the chicken pit? Okay. Guys, siya yung magbabayad din guys. Siya yung may pera sa amin. Wala akong pera. Yan. Siya yung magbabayad. Kasi nagdadawni sa amin guys. Yung sahig namin, dinadawnihan namin.